Masquera say Mure Zimbabwe, welcome to our channel Confessions and Deep Secrets. Kana kari kutanga kukuya panino channel, please don't forget to subscribe. Kana uchingo gara uka subscribe, don't forget to comment and share this video. Nasi Mure Zimbabwe takwigirai nyaya yaburitswa nedi Zimbabwe Electoral Commission yabuda ichiresponda to my reports ekuti they gave tenders to Chivhayo, Mike Chimombe and Moses Mpofu without following due processes. This statement rabuda mshure mekunge the Zimbabwe Anti-Corruption Commission yabuda ichiti they are investigating varume vatatu ava for alleged theft of trust property and money laundering. This probe yakalaunchwa mshure mekunge vatatu ava vakanetsana nenyaya the SEC tender yakasupplier election materials muri Zimbabwe panomira mushe. According to my reports by the Zim Live, a South African company linked to Mike Chimombe, Moses Mpofu and Chivhayo irikunzi yakareceive $9 million United States from portable toilets in my vests muri Zimbabwe just 6 days before my elections muri Zimbabwe. And my toilets they were reportedly priced at a staggering 3.8 thousand each muri Zimbabwe, and they were delivered 8 months late. After my elections appear in South Africa, their price is $300 each, but they were priced at 3.8 US muri Zimbabwe. And the Finance Permanent Secretary George Ngwamatanga approve this payment on 7 September, 2 weeks after my elections aitwa muri Zimbabwe. So the Zimbabwe Electoral Commission issue a statement ichitaura iyo ichiti hapana business ravakaita with Chivhayo, Mike Chimombe and Moses Mpofu. Zek yabuda zakari ichitaura iyo ichiti materials ese for the 2023 harmonized elections procure in strict accordance with procurement regulations. They ensure a thorough oversight throughout the tender process. And the commission yabuda challenger accusers could babuditse concrete evidence of any agreements with Chivhayo, Chimombe and Mike Mpofu. Wabuda vachitaura ivo zvakare vachiti all my materials were delivered on time despite my reports akabuditswa neZim Live. So the commission yaenderera mberi zvakare ichitaura iyo ichiti there were no third parties hangari involved in their procurement process. Tisingaziye kuti munoiona sei nyaya iyi vabuditsa statement yavo inge yakanyorwa vachitaura ivo vachiti misleading social media reports. We have noted with great concern social media posts and rumors circulating online that are causing public alarm and despondency, and we would like to put it on record that the Zimbabwe Electoral Commission has no contract nor did it procure any election material from or through individuals being mentioned in the reports. All materials procured for the 2023 harmonized elections were obtained in line with procurement regulations, and there was due diligence, as all tender processes were subjected to oversight. We challenge all those alleging that the Commission has a contract with the 3 individuals to come forward and present the same. We want to also publicly declare that the actual amounts used for the procurement of all the election materials were far less than the figures being mischievously circulated on social media. All election materials procured during the 2023 harmonized elections were delivered on time. The Commission has also checked with the supplier, who categorically stated in writing that they did not have any contract with the same individuals for the supply of election materials during the 2023 harmonized elections. Furthermore, there were no third parties between the Commission and all election material suppliers. Any statements suggesting a contractual link between the Zimbabwe Electoral Commission and these individuals for the supply of the 2023 harmonized elections materials are inaccurate, misleading, and mischievous, and therefore should be dismissed with the contempt it deserves. The Commission assures all its stakeholders that all procurements were above board. Those are the Zimbabwe Electoral Commission muri Zimbabwe kutaura kwatiri kuita vachiramba any links to Chivhayo, Mike Chimombe and Moses Mpofu muri Zimbabwe. Tisingazivi kuti munoona sei nyaya iyi yabudiswa neZimbabwe Electoral Commission. Zvakare company iyo iri kunzi yakapiwa yakashandiswa naMike Chimombe and Chivhayo in acquiring in supplying materials aya iri kunzi yaramba zvakare association na Weeknow Chivhayo, despite my pictures aya muri kuona apa ari kucirculate mastreets social media Weeknow Chivhayo akabata one of my documents akuratidza kuti they have got a logo this company yabuda ichitaura iyo yabudidzwa zvakare statement yayo ichitaura iyo ichiti Honorable Chairperson, I am writing further to the recent allegations that have surfaced in the Zimbabwe media which allege procurement irregularities and corrupt practices in terms of various contracts between ZEC and Renform during the course of last year, where Renform was contracted to supply the Commission with both sensitive and non-sensitive materials for the 2023 elections. At Renform, we are outraged by these allegations and would like to set the record straight in terms of the claims made by the two gentlemen concerned, which have completely no basis. We confirm that we do not know these gentlemen and have no relationship whatsoever, nor any agreement of any sort with these gentlemen relating to ZEC or any other matter. In the circumstances, we take these allegations very seriously, and we have already engaged a senior legal team to act on our behalf, and we do not rule out taking appropriate action in Zimbabwe to defend our name and reputation. We shall in due course share the details of our legal team with you in case you have any requests for information on this matter. Ndozvabuda zvitauro ne the Renform muri Zimbabwe zvitaura kuti they don't know Moses Mpofu kana kuti Mike Chimombe muri Zimbabwe, asi there is proof yekuti they had made deals with Weeknow Chivhayo, and mugonayo proof yamurikuona iri apo. Weeknow Chivhayo with the CEO weRenform muri Zimbabwe. Tisingazive kuti munoona sei nyaya iyi, tiudzewo zvamuri kufunga pamusoro penyaya iyi mucomment section. Kutaura kuno kuZEC, the Zimbabwe Anti-Corruption Commission, kutaura iyo ichiti they've gathered more evidence on Chivhayo, Mike Chimombe and Moses Mpofu. Tisingazive kuti ichapera sei nyaya iyi. ZAC ikataurawo zvakare ichiti they are going to investigate even the Zimbabwe Electoral Commission on this issue. Tisingazive kuti munoona sei nyaya iyi, tiudzewo zvamuri kufunga pamusoro penyaya iyi mucomment section.